Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Kelly Grace TV. Yes, it's your girl Kelly. So I welcome you all to my channel again today, and for all my new subscribers, a warm welcome to you guys. Thank you for being here. Okay, so today I'm gonna present to you this juicy tilapia, my oven baked tilapia. Alright guys, here are the ingredients that I use to marinate my fish. I have some chicken bouillon, some oil here. I have 2 little lemon juice here. I have black pepper. I have some sea salt. I have some diced onion. I have some minced garlic. And I have also some minced ginger here. So here are the ingredients I'm using to marinate my fish. So how I did it is, here is my aluminum foil that I placed over my oven rack. So I'm gonna combine all those ingredients that I showed you earlier. So this is my chopped onion. Here are my, I'll be adding my minced ginger here. So I use 2 tablespoons of oil here to mix them all. And I will be adding here my lemon juice. Yeah, my lemon juice. Stir them together, mix them well. And the next thing will be my black pepper. A little bit of black pepper here. I love black pepper. And my fish. And I'll be adding my chicken bouillon. About 1 tablespoon. About 1 teaspoon, sorry guys. 1 teaspoon. And I'll be adding next my sea salt. Yeah, my sea salt. And I'll combine them well together. So I think I'll be needing like more oil. Yeah, I'm adding more oil here because I'm not gonna add oil to my aluminum foil, and I don't want my tilapia to be like stuck to the foil. So here my 2 small tilapia, and after cutting them, I cut them like this to make the marinade infuse really good into my fish. Yes, this is how I marinate my fish. You make sure you cover it well. You put these spices inside the fish really good and cover it really well. Cover it. Make sure you got all the fish covered with this marinade. Here you go. I'm using this glove because I have a cut on my hand, and I'm using lemon with this marinade. So yeah, I don't want to say ouch. I don't want to be like ouch. So I'm using this glove to marinate my fish, guys. You flip it over. Make sure all the spice, all the marinade infuse into your chicken. Make sure you cover it all well covered your fish. There you go, inside the head, because I don't throw the head of my fish away. I don't throw them away. That's the best part of my fish. So I always make sure I cover it well. So after this is my oven pan. This oven pan, I put some water in it, and I put the fish with the aluminum foil over it to avoid like the smoke, because this juice is gonna be dropping, and I don't want any smoke in my kitchen right now. So here guys, I put my oven on 425 for 25 minutes, and after this 25 minutes I flip them over. I flip my fish over and I give them 10 more minutes. Here you go. You see, even though I didn't oil my foil, you see, here is the final result. This is so juicy, guys. I bet you to try it. Try this marinade with your tilapia feet. You will enjoy it. And yes, guys, if you want, try it and let me know how it goes. Let me know. I would love to have some feedback from you guys. And thank you all for watching. Thank you so much. All right, guys, this is my oven baked tilapia ready. So I dare you guys to try this and let me know how it goes. Thank you all for your time. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and share, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you for your time. Bye bye. Love you all. Bye bye.